Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to connect your Sandberg Survivor Lantern to analog radio. So first, for better signal, remember to open your antenna, but I won't do it now because I don't want to break it, and I just want to show you how to do it. So, clicking the power on button, set for FM. And now with these two buttons, change, as you can see, the frequency. There's something here. It's scanning. When I just hold it, it's scanning for any frequency that something is on it. So I found one, but it was 91 something, so we better come back to it. It takes some time, but not this, the previous one. As you can hear, it's working. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.